Manual food chopper. Chopping onions, garlic, or almonds can be a hassle, but this manual food chopper makes it quick, easy, and mess-free. For under $20, this gadget eliminates the need for power or batteries. You simply place your ingredient in the base, press down on the top, and let the sharp blades do the work. The chopper is perfect for tasks like mincing garlic, chopping onions without tears, or even breaking down harder items like almonds. Its rotating blades cut everything evenly, and the process takes just a few seconds. This tool is especially useful for anyone who doesn't feel confident with a knife or doesn't want to spend extra time on prep work. Cleaning is also a breeze. Just rinse it or pop the parts into the dishwasher. It even comes with a small brush to help clean the blades. Whether you're cooking for a family or just making a quick meal for yourself, this chopper is a game changer. Cordless Mini Electric Chopper. This cordless electric mini chopper is small and portable, making it easy to use anywhere in your kitchen. At the time of this review, it costs less than $20, making it affordable for most households. What makes this mini chopper even more convenient is its USB rechargeability, which is rare for such gadgets. It works perfectly for chopping vegetables and herbs without the hassle of using a knife. If you often struggle to mince garlic without making your fingers smell, this tool is a lifesaver. It's efficient, keeps your hands clean, and ensures consistent results every time. Bread dispenser. The next gadget is a bread dispenser called the Bread Buddy, which is a simple yet genius solution for keeping bread fresh and organized. For $12.49, this dispenser lets you take out slices one at a time without crushing or tearing the loaf. In our household, this has been a lifesaver, especially since I often end up squishing the bread when I try to grab a slice. Its vertical design also helps save space in the pantry, keeping everything neat and tidy. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how you store and use bread. Food scissor. The third item is a food cutter that combines safety and efficiency. This handy gadget, priced at $12.79 when I reviewed it, can replace your knife and cutting board while keeping your fingers safe from accidental cuts. It's great for slicing vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, or anything you need for salads or dips. I particularly love how it allows you to slice vegetables with one hand if needed. To avoid making a mess, it's best to use it over a bowl, as the sliced pieces might otherwise scatter onto your countertop. It's a simple yet effective tool that makes food prep much easier. Egg separator with shell catcher. If you've ever struggled with separating egg yolks from whites or fishing out bits of shell, this egg separator will make your life so much easier. This clever gadget has a serrated edge for cracking eggs and a design that efficiently separates yolks from whites. It also catches any stray pieces of shell, so you don't have to worry about ruining your dish. The separator can be clipped onto a bowl, pan, or even a mixing bowl for added convenience. Whether you're making an egg white omelet, baking a cake, or whipping up some meringue, this tool ensures the process is quick, clean, and hassle-free. Power scrubber. The Grime Power Scrubber is a powerful cleaning tool that makes washing dishes much easier. Priced at $24, this Black & Decker scrubber comes with 2 different brush heads that can handle tough, baked-on residue. If you've ever spent 10 minutes scrubbing stubborn stains, this gadget will save you a lot of effort. It works quickly to remove grime that even a dishwasher can't handle, giving your dishes a deep clean in seconds. Electric food scale bowl. Next up is a multi-function mixing bowl that is a must-have for anyone who loves baking or cooking. This stainless steel bowl has a built-in measurement system, so you can easily measure ingredients like flour, seasonings, or pancake mix without needing separate measuring cups. It's especially helpful for those on diets or practicing portion control, as it instantly gives you the exact measurements you need, and it's a game changer in terms of convenience. The bowl detaches easily, making it simple to clean, and it's dishwasher safe, saving you even more time. Smart Slicer. If you've ever struggled to slice tomatoes, lemons, or other round fruits evenly, this gadget is here to change the game. At first glance, it might look like it slices the fruit for you, but that's not the case. Instead, it acts as a secure holder, keeping your fruits or vegetables in place while you slice them perfectly. This smart slicer is especially handy for people who love adding sliced fruits to their salads, cocktails, or desserts. You can also use it for slicing limes, kiwis, or even small onions. The holder's clever design keeps your fingers far from the knife, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. It's a great way to achieve those thin, even slices that you usually only see at restaurants. Not only does it make slicing easier, but it also ensures your cuts look professional. Pot lid holders. Organizing your pots and pans can be a real challenge, especially when it comes to finding the right lid. These wall-mounted pot lid holders are a simple and effective solution for keeping your kitchen neat and functional. The set includes 6 holders that can be attached to cabinet doors or walls, making them perfect for small or cluttered kitchens. With these holders, I managed to hang 4 lids on each side of the cabinet door. These holders are versatile enough to fit lids of different sizes and shapes, and they're incredibly easy to install using the adhesive backing. If you're tired of digging through your cabinets to find the right lid, this product will save you time and stress while keeping your kitchen looking organized. Can Colander. Draining liquid from cans has never been easier thanks to this $8 constrainer. It clips onto the top of a can and provides a mess-free way to remove unwanted liquid from canned goods like tuna, beans, or fruit. This small but mighty gadget eliminates the need for large colanders, which can be cumbersome and take up precious counter or dishwasher space. Instead, it's compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick kitchen tasks. Just attach it to the can, press down, and pour out the liquid. For anyone who has struggled with spilling liquid while draining cans, this gadget is a lifesaver. It's affordable, easy to clean, and a must-have for any kitchen. Stainless steel grocery bag organizer. Are you tired of grocery bags piling up under your sink or in a random drawer? This stainless steel grocery bag dispenser is the perfect solution. For just $21, this sleek, wall-mounted gadget keeps your bags organized and easy to access. The dispenser is designed with a beautiful anti-fingerprint finish, ensuring it always looks clean and polished. Installation is a breeze. Just use the included adhesive strips, and you can mount it on your pantry wall, cabinet, or even in a mudroom. Reusable food huggers. Say goodbye to food waste with these reusable silicone food huggers, priced at $12.72. This set of 5 colorful covers is designed to seal and preserve items like butter, cheese, or half-used fruits and vegetables. The huggers come in different sizes and are stackable for easy storage. They keep your food fresh by creating an airtight seal, preventing exposure to air and moisture, whether you're storing half an avocado or a stick of butter. These huggers are an eco-friendly and budget-friendly alternative to plastic wrap or bags. Collapsible funnels. These collapsible funnels are another handy tool that you might not think you need until you use them. This 4-pack, priced at $8, is perfect for transferring liquids without spills. These funnels collapse flat, so they take up almost no space in your drawers or shelves, unlike traditional funnels that are bulky and hard to store. They're easy to rinse, dishwasher safe, and ideal for tasks like transferring cooking oils or cleaning solutions. Their compact design makes them a clever and practical addition to any kitchen. Cord organizer. For keeping your kitchen organized, the 4th gadget is a cord organizer. If you have several appliances with tangled cords, this 5-pack of cord wrappers, costing just $10, is a game changer. These organizers come with a strong adhesive on the back, allowing you to stick them to countertops, backsplashes, or even directly onto your appliances. They work whether the appliance is plugged in or not, making them a versatile addition to your kitchen. I found them particularly useful for keeping the cords of our blender, toaster, and mixer neatly managed. It's a small investment with a big impact on reducing clutter. Stainless steel sink organizer. Keep your sink area tidy with the stainless steel sink caddy, designed to hold sponges, brushes, and other dishwashing tools. This caddy features a drip tray to collect excess water. The tray even has a small spout, so you can easily pour out the water without disrupting the items inside. Its sleek, modern design fits perfectly in any kitchen, making it both functional and stylish. Airtight glass storage jars. Upgrade your pantry with this set of airtight glass storage jars. Perfect for storing coffee, cereal, baking supplies, or snacks. These jars keep your ingredients fresh and your shelves organized. The jars come in a set of 5 and are packed securely to prevent damage during shipping. Their airtight seals and modern design make them a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. Pizza pack. Another exciting gadget is the Perfect Pizza Pack, which solves the common problem of storing leftover pizza. Instead of trying to fit a bulky pizza box in the fridge or wrapping slices individually in foil, this gadget provides a convenient solution. It can store up to 5 slices of pizza and is also microwave safe, so you can reheat your pizza directly in the container. It's easy to clean either by hand or in the dishwasher, and it costs $25 if you're someone who orders pizza often. This tool is worth considering to keep your leftovers fresh and organized. Smart toaster. Finally, for those who love perfectly toasted bread, this high-tech smart toaster is a must-have. Although it's a splurge at $279, it offers touchscreen controls, customizable settings, and even a countdown timer. This toaster handles everything from frozen bread to bagels and waffles with precision. It's a luxury item, but for toast enthusiasts, it's worth the investment. Scrappy Disposal Brush. For cleaning your garbage disposal, the Mr. Scrappy Universal Cleaner is a fantastic option. This $10.97 gadget effectively removes grime and buildup from your disposal, leaving it fresh and odor-free, unlike dishwasher tabs, which some people use to clean disposals. This cleaner provides a more thorough clean. Just make sure your sink is free of standing water before using it to avoid splashes. Once you're done, you can rinse it under the faucet or put it in the dishwasher for easy sanitization. It's a simple tool that makes a big difference in maintaining your kitchen's cleanliness. Door lock. Lastly, the door lock lever is a child-proofing gadget that adds an extra layer of security to your home. It's easy to install and fits most door handles with its universal design. This tool is great for keeping kids out of off-limit areas, like the pantry or garage, where they might get into trouble. It's also easy to remove if needed. And it comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you have kids at home or just want to secure certain areas, this gadget is a worthwhile investment.